A medical ventilator is a life-saving device that helps patients breathe when they can't do it on their own. It delivers oxygen to the lungs and removes carbon dioxide, essentially acting as an artificial breathing machine. These machines are crucial in hospitals, especially for patients with severe respiratory issues like pneumonia or COVID-19. They can be adjusted to control the volume and pressure of air, ensuring the patient gets just the right amount. It's fascinating how technology can step in during critical moments, providing support and giving patients a fighting chance to recover.